Now we're going to go ahead and talk about preparing our cookware for our pepperoni ziti. We're going to go ahead and start off by spraying it with a baking spray. This is a non-stick spray. You can also use olive oil if you want to. This mostly is to alleviate any sticking you have while cooking, and it's going to make cleanup so much easier. So now we've sprayed that, we've got that going for us. Now we're going to take some of our turkey pepperonis, and we're just going to go ahead and lay these on the bottom. This is a trick I picked up because I really got tired of eating this and always running out of pepperonis on the top. But if you do this, then the ziti actually cooks with some of the pepperonis on the bottom. So it gives a nice little flavor on the bottom. So when you get there, it's like, ooh, just like the top. So we're going to do 2 more layers. So we're going to have 6, 12, 18, 24 pepperonis right here. And now we've prepared this and come back for our next step.